Ray. And I am Mo Xiaoqi.
Today, we will be presenting on our project where we investigate how optimizing a robot's movement can make it socially aware and avoid collision.
Imagine you are Alan, a student who is trying to get to school from his house. In order to go to school, you must first know where the school is relative to your current position. Next, you have to find a path that brings you to the school. On the way, you probably have to avoid walking into pedestrians and moving cars. The robot plans its motion in a similar way. It first determines its goal using a global map. It then constructs a series of waypoints, also known as the global plan, using the global planner. The global plan corresponds to the course plan that you made. A local planner is responsible for obstacle avoidance and real-time robot motion control.
We fine-tuned the local planner parameters such that the robot moves in a shorter and more fluid path while remaining close to the obstacle it circumvents. This is done in comparison to the default parameters provided by the robot's software. The angular rotation of the wheels obtained from the distance traveled is proportional to the energy consumption of the robot. We were able to reduce the energy consumption by 17% and increase the average fluidity of the robot. The robot is able to travel smoothly from a point on the global map to a goal. In the process of doing so, it avoids the stationary obstacle while staying close to it. The same is observed when the robot is faced with a moving obstacle. As such, the optimal parameters are able to effectively increase the social desirability of the robot.